Picture this. After a long day, you open your fridge, grab a perfectly portioned, delicious keto meal, and heat it up in minutes. No stress, no carb counting, no last-minute unhealthy choices. If you think keto means endless hours in the kitchen, think again. Prepared keto meals are the ultimate game changer for saving time while keeping your nutrition on point. The ketogenic diet focuses on high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb meals, forcing your body to burn fat for fuel. While the benefits are undeniable, better energy, weight loss, and improved mental clarity, many people struggle with the prep work. Between grocery shopping, meal planning, and cooking, staying keto can feel like a full-time job. That's where keto-prepared meals come in, giving you all the benefits without the hassle. When you rely on pre-made keto meals, you eliminate the guesswork. There's no need to stress over macros, ingredient labels, or hidden sugars. Whether you cook in advance or opt for high-quality meal delivery services, you can enjoy perfectly balanced meals that keep you in ketosis. Plus, having meals ready to go helps you avoid the temptation of carb-heavy convenience foods when you're short on time or energy. One of the biggest advantages of prepared keto meals is consistency. Sticking to keto isn't just about avoiding carbs. It's about maintaining a steady intake of quality fats and proteins. When life gets busy, skipping meals or grabbing whatever's available can throw off your progress. With ready-made meals, you ensure your body gets the right fuel every single time. The options for keto-prepared meals are endless. You can batch cook on weekends, prepping meals like creamy cauliflower mash with grilled salmon, keto-friendly lasagna with zucchini noodles, or bacon-wrapped chicken with roasted Brussels sprouts. If cooking isn't your thing, plenty of meal delivery services offer fresh, chef-crafted keto meals that fit your macros perfectly. These services use high-quality ingredients like grass-fed meats, organic veggies, and healthy fats to keep you on track without sacrificing taste. Another perk? Less food waste. Pre-portioned meals mean you use exactly what you need, preventing spoiled ingredients and unnecessary spending. Plus, you'll save hours every week, time that can be spent on workouts, family, or just relaxing instead of chopping and sautéing. If you're worried about variety, don't be. With endless keto recipes and meal services offering rotating menus, you'll never get bored. From hearty breakfasts like almond flour pancakes to satisfying dinners like garlic butter steak with cheesy broccoli, there's a keto meal for every craving. And if you love experimenting, you can always customize your meals by adding extra fats, swapping proteins, or mixing up your spice blends. Making the switch to keto-prepared meals is a no-brainer if you value time and health. Whether you prep your own meals or take advantage of keto meal delivery, you're investing in a lifestyle that prioritizes both convenience and nutrition. Say goodbye to last-minute fast food runs and hello to effortless, delicious keto living. Have you tried keto-prepared meals? What's your favorite go-to dish for staying on track? Share your thoughts below.